Well, people come to me with all types of questions about the environment. I have been asked multiple times if there is any accurate yet a cost-effective way to monitor the environment without human dependency. And I would tell them OIZOM. And today, I'll tell you the same. OIZOM has a sensor-based hardware that monitors various environmental parameters like air quality, odor, noise, weather, and radiation. The real-time data is transmitted over the cloud to our data platform, where users can visualize and analyze it for actionable alerts, reports, and suggestive actions. Let me introduce all the environmental monitoring solutions. We offer 4 types of ambient monitoring solutions: Polydrone, OdoSense, Dustroid, and WeatherCom. I'll begin with Polydrone. It is a pollution monitoring equipment designed to measure dust pollution, gases, noise levels, and ambient conditions in real time. It covers all the parameters required for calculating air quality index, the AQI. It is majorly used for urban applications like smart cities, campuses, roadways, airports, and several such applications. Foul smells are also considered as pollution, but certain types of odorful pollutants are also toxic. The OdoSense is an odor emission tracking solution targeting odorful gases like mercaptans, ammonia, sulfides, and VOCs. Its prime application is data-driven odor management around places like landfills, dump yards, and wastewater treatment plants. But it is also useful for odorful industries like pharma, agrichemical, paper pulp, and sugar industries. Did you know one of the most harmful pollutants is dust, scientifically known as particulate matter? This is Dustroid. It is specifically designed to monitor all types of particulates. It is capable to measure particulate matter ranging from 1 micron to 100 microns in size. This capability makes it a suitable solution to deploy at construction sites, mines, stone quarries, and ports for dust surveying and suppression activities. WeatherCom is our automatic weather station which measures all the weather parameters like wind, rain, solar radiation, and ambient conditions. In addition, it also has capabilities to monitor special purpose parameters like visibility, road surface condition, soil moisture, etc. This makes it highly relevant for critical applications like disaster monitoring, agricultural predictions, and road safety. The entire idea of OIZOM was to create a scalable solution. Therefore, all our monitoring systems are designed for low power consumption and can also work on solar power. The data monitored from the OIZOM hardware can be communicated using various wired and wireless communication protocols. For wireless, GSM GPRS are pretty standard, but it can also communicate through LTE, Wi-Fi, LoRa, Sigfox, and narrowband IoT. If you opt for wired communication, you can choose from Ethernet and Modbus. All our equipment are designed for pole and wall mounting. Based on the application, its strategic placement plays a very important role in performance of the equipment. We follow the US EPA guidelines for location selection and installation of our equipment. Calibration is the most important part of any analytical instrument. Each OIZOM equipment passes through rigorous testing and calibration. Factory calibration is done by default for each equipment, whereas lab calibration is done by generating desired concentration of each parameter also as an option. To perform calibration in ambient condition, a co-location against a reference monitoring system is done. All these calibration processes are done before deployment. Post-installation, spot calibration can be performed at regular intervals to ensure consistent data accuracy. To know more about any specific product, click on the product video thumbnail below.